Presenting a pre-owned 2009 Acura RL. This four-door sedan has a six-cylinder, 3.7-liter V6 engine, with all-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Acura has less than 102,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 16 miles per gallon in the city, and 22 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Thank you for visiting Michael's Motorcars. Since 1996 we have been the Jersey Shore's premier dealership, specializing in quality automobiles at great prices, guaranteed financing available. Stop in for a test drive today or call 732-775-4444.